Okay, I'm back with the second half of lesson 73. This one is called probability without replacement. Okay, I wrote on the board right here the probability of flipping a coin is 1 out of 2. Okay, and let's say it doesn't matter. I have a probability of flipping tails 1 out of 2, right? I know the probability of me flipping tails again is also 1 out of 2. So the probability of me flipping tails twice in a row is going to equal 1 out of 4, right? 1 out of 4 right there. That is with replacement because it's not like you're taking away one of the faces of the coin. That is the probability of flipping 2 heads or 2 tails, or even calling your shots and it being in a certain order. All right. So the first example that they give, an urn contains 3 black marbles and 5 white marbles, for a total of 8 marbles in an urn, right? 3 black, 5 white. A marble is drawn at random and it is replaced. Okay. Then a second marble is randomly drawn. What is the probability that both marbles are black? Okay. So there's 3 black marbles out of 8. Right? There's 3 black marbles out of 8. What are the chances? And it is replaced, so it doesn't go anywhere. What are the chances that I draw again another black marble? Well, my chances are 3 out of 8. If I multiply straight across, my chances of drawing 2 black marbles when it is replaced is 9 out of 64, right? Now, they're going to ask a question, well, what if you did not replace the marble? Okay? If you did not replace that marble, what are the chances of getting 2 black in a row? Okay, so you have a 3 in 8 chance of drawing a black marble. Then it's not replaced. You chuck that marble to the side, right? You did draw a black marble. You had a 3 in 8 chance. What are the chances of you drawing a second black marble? Well, there's 1 less in there, so there's something out of 7. There is 2 more black marbles in there, so it's a 2 out of 7. So now your chances of drawing 2 black marbles without replacing it, right, is 6 out of 56, okay? And if you were going to reduce this, you can cut them both in half, and that would be 3 out of 26. Sorry, 28. 3 out of 28, right? 3 out of 28 to draw 2 black marbles in a row without replacing. The second example that they give, right? This is probability without replacement. It says an urn contains 4 red marbles and 7 blue marbles. 4 red marbles, 7 blue marbles, for a total of 11 marbles, because they're going to be asking what's the probability of a red marble being drawn first. Since the red marble is replaced, you got a 4 in 11 shot, then the red marble is replaced, you're going to have the same odds, 4 out of 11. And your final odds are going to be would be 16 out of 121. That's your chances, right? And then it wants to know what is the probability of a blue marble on the second draw. All right, the probability of the second draw, and it's not replaced. Okay, so you have a 4 in 11 shot for the red marble on the first draw, right? And then you don't replace it. You get that red marble. What's the chances of you getting a blue marble? Okay, it's going to be 1 less, but there are 7. There's still 7 blue, but now there's only 10 marbles left, right? You got the red marble on the first right here. You had a 4 in 11 shot at it. You got it. You did not replace that red marble. there were still 7 blue marbles in there. So now, I did not replace it. That's gonna equal 28 out of what? 110, right? And of course, this does reduce down to 14 out of 50. That's my 55. That's my probability of, at first, drawing the red marble. I had a 4 and 11 shot, and then drawing, without replacement, drawing the blue marble, which I had a 7 and 10 shot. So now for that combination to happen right there, the probability is 14 out of 55 chances. That's the probability, okay? That's the probability without replacement. You'll see the examples, they give you quite a few. Please do the practice and the problem set.